So I thought I'd throw together just a quick video on how you can set up your Shopify account with with logging and video logging and things like that. So I created just like a free trial account real quick. Just this guy here. And then you can put videos on your homepage. You can modify your menu bar to have links to your video log or a blog. It's really a blog, but you can have videos embedded in the blog posts. So this would be like if you have lots of different articles you want to post, and each of them have videos. You can have multiple articles. This is an example of where you actually directly embedded in there, so you can embed your YouTube video here. I'll show you that in a second. And then this is kind of another one. And you can have comments enabled, or you can have it disabled. If you have it enabled, you can have it so that you have to moderate it and go and like approve any comments, which is probably a good idea. Some people put some pretty bad things up there sometimes, so you want to make sure that you're like checking it out first. So how do you add those things? You go into your Shopify settings here. You can go to blog posts. It's all under online store, and you can go create a blog post, and then from here what you can do is there's this image thing. You can embed an image, or I'm sorry, images or videos. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'll go to, this is my son's kind of channel here, and any video, you can really, it could be any video. It doesn't have to be one of yours, as long as embedded. When you create the video and upload it to YouTube, you have to have embedding enabled. There's a setting, embeddable, and if you don't have it, then the share link will not show up. But any video you find that you want to put on your site, as long as it's your content, obviously there's some legality there. You just click on it and go to embed. It gives this iframe. You just copy that iframe. Just copy it to my clipboard. You can go over here, and then you can insert that as a video. Okay, and it's not the greatest editor, but you can add other stuff, hello world, whatever. Here, title my video. It has to be visible, otherwise, or you can hide it if you're not ready to publish it. But obviously make it visible if you want people to see it. I think you can actually, set a visibility date. So if you want to, not remember to you want it to show up on the 4th of July, it's some patriotic thing or something like that, you can set a visibility date, set it to the 4th of July, and then it will automatically show up. You don't have to remember to go enable it. You can add an image, so I don't know, image, edit something, whatever. This would be like the cover image that shows up. It has to be a JPEG, yeah. You can add a JPEG. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so that'll be like your cover image when they go to view the blog or the video log. You have to, so you can have more than one blog. So this would be like, by default, they'll have a news blog. You can create a new blog and then just add it to that. So you can have like different links to different blogs and whatever. Then you can add, some summary or whatever. There's a bunch of stuff in here you can do, but it's not great, but it works for what it is. Okay, so you save that, and then, so now you got your vlog or whatever, your blog posts. And did I enable that? It's visible. You can go to your navigation, and you can, let's say you wanted to have a link to it directly in your main menu. So you might see some different things in your menu, but your main menu is basically the stuff that shows up in this right here. And you can go to main menu, and you can add a menu item. You can add a blog post to something like that. And then here you can actually go and find your blog post. If you wanted to put a link to like all of your blog posts, you can put that. If you wanted to put just a specific blog post, you can go here and put that. Oops. Yep. And then this is the one I think that I just added. So you can add that. So then you save it. And if I come back here, sometimes it takes a little while to refresh, but it should show up in my menu here. Blog post 2. So then you can have a direct link here, and then you have your video.
Oh, it's like from the 80s.
So that's one way you can do it. The other thing you can do is you can actually go into your theme, and you can directly edit your entire site and customize the appearance through the what you see is what you get editor. So you can go customize. And from here, you can see I've added a couple sections already, but you can add a section, and then you can say, you can directly add a video if you want. If you just have a video you want to upload. I think they only support a couple like Vimeo and YouTube, but so then if you have the actual URL for that, you can go directly copy that, paste it here, add some text, video 2, something like that. You can upload a image, which is basically like, otherwise it kind of shows up as like some Shopify it'll show up like this image if you don't upload an image. So you can upload some image, save that. So now it will show up with a Minecraft background on your home page. You click on it and it will take you to this video. So now we can go check that out. I go to my home page. So now I should have this video. Oops. Yep. I think it takes a while to show up sometimes. But anyway, so that's how you can add it. Or you can actually go in here and you can add a direct link to your blog posts. So if you want to just have a link to your blog posts, you can go there. And you can go and change which blog it is. So if you want to make it your, Joey's video log, something like that, you can do that. Anyway, hopefully, this is kind of maybe not perfect, but maybe it gets you halfway where you want to be. And anyway, it shouldn't take too long to set it up. All right, cool.